Hi, I'm Gerry Williams with the Blue Door Group. I want to talk to you today about townhouse living. A lot of people are not proponents of townhouse living, but sometimes that's just because they don't know what it is. Until I moved into this home here, I didn't know a lot about townhouse living. And who are the people that move in? In our case, we were downsizing and didn't need as much space, so we started looking at townhouses and found this one. We have enjoyed this. It's about a third smaller than the house we moved from, but my wife and I still find that there are rooms we don't use for days or weeks at a time, so we have plenty of space. There's a lot of objections sometimes that people make to townhouse living. They think it's too crowded, too noisy, don't have any outdoor space. But as you can see, if you kind of look around here, I've got outdoor space. Not every unit is like this, but this is why you have a good realtor, so you can find the right house for yourself, so you can have some space to do the things you want to do. Have room for grandkids to go out and play, for neighbors to sit out in the yard and talk, have a glass of wine. So there's lots of things that you can do, but the most important thing is to find a realtor familiar with the neighborhoods, tell them what you want. Townhouses are great if you're trying to benefit from the equity in your home as you're downsizing. Lots of times they are less expensive than a single home, and it's a way to tap into the equity. People that don't want to do maintenance or don't have the ability to do maintenance anymore, it can be done for you. It's kind of nice to look out the window and see someone else cutting your grass or spreading pine needles or cleaning out your gutters. I can attest to that right there. There's a lot of amenities to living in a clubhouse, in a townhouse community, and we'll show you some of those too. Hi, Gerry Williams, Blue Door Group. Wanted to show you the clubhouse here in this Wyngate Village Townhouse community. A lot of townhouse communities have a clubhouse like this used for different events. For example, this one, pre-COVID, was often used for birthday parties, bridal showers, baby showers, and of course the neighborhood uses it too. The neighborhood, if it's a neighborhood event, you don't have to pay anything to use the clubhouse. So we would have Christmas parties, sometimes cookouts, and use this space. Here in Wyngate Village, during the warmer months, we have a food truck come by once a month and park right outside the clubhouse. And we'll come in here and eat, or go down by the pool and eat, or of course some people just take it back home to eat. So it's extra space that you can use and the neighbors can use, and gets you out of the house once in a while. So the pool is right behind the clubhouse here, so why don't we go take a look at it. The pool here is a great place to hang out on the weekends. The weekend days are pretty busy, but as you can see, as we look around, there's lots of space to spread out. Chairs, of course, are provided here. There's bathrooms on premises, a water fountain. There's a covered area if you want to be out of the sun. But one of my favorite times to come is on weekday afternoons when it's not crowded. It's easy to swim laps, play with the grandkids, and just cool off on a hot summer day. Another amenity is of townhouse communities, you have a place to walk. There's usually sidewalks, good place to get out in the evening, walk, meet some neighbors dogs. And this one is next to a highway, so you'll hear some traffic noise that you don't hear once you're inside your houses. Again, I'm Gerry Williams with Blue Door Group. Thanks for taking this tour of Wyngate Village Townhouse Community, my community, where I live. And if you have any questions, comments, things you would like to know about this community, my contact information will be in the comments below.